we have developed an online system. It is named as Wellness Inventory Management System, or WIMS. The main aim of this is for delivering the healthcare to millions. Maybe all over India or people around the world can use this system to manage their own health. So we promote this to the people who believe that health is the most important asset of their life. Without health, we cannot achieve anything. So in Wellness Inventory Management System, what we do is we can get access to any person anywhere in the world. We do the wellness assessment system, mainly nutritional assessment, metabolic assessment, and other biochemical and other assessment through online. After that, investigations, various biochemical, hematology and hormonal and other investigations will be done, and the specimen will be taken from their own home wherever they are in India. At present, we operate this system only in India because we don't have the people to do this outside India, especially collecting blood samples or other things. But in people who are outside India, what they can do is we can give the advice of the investigation, so they can do the investigations and send us back. And based on these investigations and based on our assessment format, we analyze the health of the person. And based on that parameter, we will advise how to improve the health from this level. And we are also giving online monitoring system, so that we will know that the person is going in the correct line. So any person, however busy they are, they can undergo this system for their own benefit. So in other words, what we do is we make them manage their own health. So it is highly personalized and it is not generalized. Personalized in the sense, it is not for any disease. It is only for that person's health, improving the health of that person. So this is the system. In India, we have tied up with lab who will take the blood and other samples for investigation, and they will upload in our site, so that we can give the advice and reporting back to the patient maybe in 24 to 48 hours after the blood has been taken. And this Wellness Online Inventory Management System is we are actually managing your own health in your own portal, and we are only assisting or helping you to manage your own health in this busy schedule. So our online assessment system comprises of various questions. It is based on the vasomotor system of the patient, hormonal system of the person, biochemical system, and also the lifestyle, history of the person, past history, family history, everything comes. So we will be analyzing this questionnaire regarding all these parameters, and this is being supported by the investigations that we are doing. Actually, this is called as metabolic analysis or metabolic assessment. And why we do this? Because we know that all of us have got our own individuality. Our individuality reflects on the biochemistry of each of us. So our biochemical system varies from person to person. So only by analyzing this through the questionnaire and supporting it through the biochemical and other investigations through the lab, we will know that where the person's biochemistry stands. So for the improvement of one's health, we can use these two things as the parameter, and we give advice based on this.